Again, welcome to you all, my dear students. My name is Devendra Kumar Tiwari. Today I will teach you class 9th English literature book, chapter 4th, In the Kingdom of Fools, the remaining story. So that let us start to read this story. When the merchant arrived, the king questioned him. जब व्यापारी पहुंचता है तो राजा उससे प्रश्न पूछता है कि आपका नाम क्या है. When the merchant reached in the kingdom of the king, then the king asked about his name. Such and such, your highness. Were you at home when the dead man burgled your house? ए आदमी, जब आपका घर लूट रहा था तो तुम घर पर ही थे, आप घर पर ही थे. You were present at home when the dead man burgled your house. Yes, my lord, he broke in and the wall was weak. Yes, my lord, when he was about to enter into my house, that moment the wall was fall on him because it was so very weak. The accused pleaded guilty. Your wall killed this man's brother. You have murdered a man. We have to punish you. योर वॉल किल्ड दिस मैंस ब्रदर, आपकी दीवार ने इस आदमी के भाई को मार दिया, इसलिए यू हैव मर्डर्ड अ मैन, सो दैट इज एक्यूज टू हिम. यू मर्डर्ड दिस मैन, वी हैव टू पनिश यू, मैं आपको दंड दूंगा. फॉर डेथ लॉर्ड सेड द हेल्पलेस मर्चेंट, वह निसहाय व्यापारी बोला, स्वामी आई डिडेंट पुट अप द वॉल, मैंने इस वॉल को नहीं बनाया. इट इज रियली द फॉल्ट ऑफ द मैन, वास्तव में यह उस व्यक्ति की कमी है जिसने इस दीवार को बनाया है. ही डिड नॉट बिल्ड इट राइट, उसने इस दीवार को अच्छे से नहीं बनाया है. यू शुड पनिश हिम, आपको उसे दंड देना चाहिए. लॉर्ड सेड द हेल्पलेस मर्चेंट, ओ माई डियर लॉर्ड, आई डिड नॉट पुट अप दिस वॉल. एक्चुअली इट इज़ द फॉल्ट ऑफ द मैन हु बिल्ड दिस वॉल, so that he did not build it right, because that man did not build this wall so very correctly, so that you should punish him, अतः आप उसको दंड दीजिए. Who is that, वह कौन है? The king asked him, who is that? My lord, this wall was built in my father's time. This wall was so very old because this wall was built in my father's time. यह दीवार मेरे पिता के समय की बनी हुई है. I know the man, मैं उस आदमी को जानता हूँ. He is an old man now, जो अब बूढ़ा हो चुका है. He lives nearby, जो मेरे समीप रहता है. The merchant said, the king, he knew the man very well, who was so now in this time very old man, who lives nearby the merchant's house. The king sent out messengers to bring in the bricklayers. The king sent out messengers. राजा ने देवदूतों को भेजा ब्रिकलेयर को लाने के लिए. Who had built the wall, जिसने इस वाल को बनाया था. The king sent out his messenger to take the bricklayers who had built this wall. They brought him. They means the soldiers of the king brought the manson, tied hand and foot. They tied that old man hands and foot. You there, did you build this man's wall in his father's time? आपने इस आदमी के दीवार को इसके पिता के समय बनाया था. Yes, my lord, I did. The old man responded positively and he said, I accepted the answer of the king. What kind of a wall is this that you built? आपने किस प्रकार का ये दीवार बनाया है. It had fallen on the poor man and killed them. This wall fallen on poor man and it killed him. You have murdered him, so that you accused to murder that man. We have to punish you by death. We have to condemn you by death. मैं आपको मृत्युदंड दूंगा. Before the king could order the execution, the poor bricklayer pleaded. When the king was about to declare the order about his death, that moment the bricklayer requested him eagerly and said that please listen to me before you give your orders. It's true I built this wall. यह सही है कि मैंने इस दीवार को बनाया है. And it was no good, जो अच्छा नहीं था. But that was because my mind was not on it. That moment I was not maintain my concentration. मैं अपनी एकाग्रता को बनाकर नहीं रख पाया था. I remember very well. I remember now in this time about that moment when I was not succeeded to make in good way this wall. Very well. A dancing girl who was going up and down that street all day with her ankle jingling, and I could not keep my eyes or mind on the wall I was building. वो कहता है कि मुझे याद है उस समय पूरे दिन एक नृत्य करने वाली लड़की जो दिन रात पूरे दिन उस गली में आती जाती रही और उसके पैरों के घुंघरू की आवाज़ को सुन करके मैं अपनी एकाग्रता को बरकरार नहीं बन कर पाया जब मैं इस दीवार को बना रहा था. When I was building this wall, that moment my mind was so disturbed because there was a well dancing girl who was going up and down in that street all day with her ankle jingling. You must get that dancing girl. I know where she lives. You must get that dancing, my dear lord. You must get that dancing nice girl. I know her very well where she lives. वह कहाँ रहती मैं इस चीज़ को जानता हूँ. You are right. The case depends. You are right. Your answer is very correct. But this case is so very complicated. We must look into it. We must be supervision it so very closely. It is not easy to judge such complicated cases. It is not easy to declare the judgment because this is a very complicated cases. Let us get the dancer where your she is. First of all, we must get that dancing girl. The dancing girl now an old woman. वह नाचने वाली लड़की अब एक बुढ़ी औरत हो गई. Came trembling to the court. Who came trembling to the court? जो कांपते हुए दरबार में आई. Did you walk up and down that street many years ago while this poor man was building a wall? Did you see him? Did you क्या आप गली में कई बार आई गई? Many years ago, बहुत समय पहले, कई वर्ष पहले आप इस गली में जहाँ पर ये आदमी मकान को बना रहा था कई बार दिन में आप आई गई थी. While this poor man was building a wall, did you see him? Did you see him? Yes, my lord. I remember it very well. I remember it very well. So you did walk up and down with your anklets jingling. So you did walk up and down. आप आती जाती रही पूरे दिन इस गली में with your anklet jingling, अपने बजते हुए घुंघरुओं के साथ. Yes. You were young and you distracted him. You were so very young that moment and you disturbed this man's concentration, so he built a wide wall, so that this man built this wall so very weak, so that you are responsible and you are condemned to death for this bad work, because a man was killed due to the fall of this wall. So that is the description of this story. So that thank you and have a nice day.